You need to do, guys, is go ahead and get on your browser, and we're literally just going to go over to Google, okay? So today in this video, I will show you guys how to get Last Day on Earth hack for iOS and Android. So as you can see, we have it right here. So just open it up. So let me just show you guys. So as you can see, it says Last Day on Earth. So when you open it up, guys, as you can see, I'm broke, but in the mod menu, we press the button and you can activate free coins. So I'm gonna turn this on, and now the coin should start going up. So let's see if it increases, and you can see at the moment I have 22,000 coins. So hopefully it starts going up. And then I'm gonna show you guys how to download this onto your device. So let's get into the guide. So as you can see, it's increasing. So I'm gonna show you how to get this onto your device, iOS and Android. So let's get into the guide. It's super easy, no jailbreak or computer. So first things first, all you gotta do, guys, is go to settings, app, and type battery in general and all that. So general, background refresh, and turn this on. And then the next thing is go to battery, turn off low power mode, and then the next thing is go to matrixmods.com. Alright, so type Last Day on Earth, should be in here somewhere. So let's see where it is, and press on it, press download. Last step is verification. You just gotta download 2 apps, follow the instructions, 100% for free from official app store. So let's just wait for this to load. As you can see, so it's loading up right now. So last step is verification. So you can see it says Matrix Mods, please download 2 apps. So you just have to download 2 of them. They're all easy and free. So yeah, I'll see you guys later, but make sure you do that. So like Underdog Fantasy says down and run for 30 seconds. So I could do that. I could do just so many different apps, like DraftKings, Moto Casino, all these different apps. So make sure you guys do 2 of the apps. You're gonna be good to go. So I'll see you guys later, but that's how I get Last Day on Earth hack for your device. So it's iOS and Android, guys, so super cool. And yeah, I mean, this is fully updated and everything. So you gotta give it a try, bro. Just make sure you download 2 of the apps. There's a video, by the way, if you press help. So that's cool, but yeah, super crazy. So I'm gonna see you guys later. But yeah, subscribe to the channel if you want to get Last Day on Earth modded game. But yeah, I mean, a lot of people hate on you for providing real videos, but this is legit, guys, so you gotta give it a try. Fully works. So yeah, peace out. Just make sure you do the verification. Should be good to go. It's fairly easy, and yeah, no problem. This Matrix Mod site is crazy, so when you're on the site, just go in the search bar, type in Last Day on Earth, and then it will pop up. So yeah, try it out, guys. This is fully updated, and no one can ban you, so it's pretty cool. So I'm gonna see you guys later, but yeah, subscribe to the channel. This actually works, and no jailbreaks, so peace out, bro. But yeah, this is legit, so you gotta give it a try. A lot of people hate on me for providing this, but it is legit, guys, so you will enjoy it, trust me. So yeah, peace out, bro. But that's how I get the Last Day on Earth hack for iOS and Android. So yeah, really wild, bro, but it is legit. So peace out, enjoy the content, have fun. And that's how I get Last Day on Earth hack for iOS, Android. It's all included. Everyone's invited.